Muskrat, you look thirsty. How much fun are you having? None, right?
No, none.
None. No fun. No fun. So, what the haps be down here, sir? I know you came and told me, but explain it to the rest of the world.
So, here I did a demonstration for you. I'll do the same thing.
You're going to do a demonstration?
Yep. Okay, so.
Don't mind my radio mess I'm working on.
Pretend your proportioning valve's in your car. All your brake lines are hooked up. See? Our glorious and wonderful Mr. Bernsey.
He's identifying as an AMC right now.
The line is supposed to do...
Yeah, it just threads in.
That.
It's very nice, yes.
Okay. So...
You checked this with this? This is
I
a
checked
one
this,
we have on the shelf.
Yep. So I checked this one with the new proportioning valve. All the lines, all the holes are proper. They're in their proper place, so we're not worried.
All the holes?
Yep. So, if you look so ever gently inside there...
Looking ever gently inside.
You can see how the one side is boogered a little bit.
Looking deep inside. Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Okay. Whoop. So, the new proportioning valve is perfect.
Yes.
So if I force it in, I booger the new one up.
Ooh. But you like to force it. Not on this side.
So I've got to pay attention to not do that, so I had to re-tap the line.
You ran a die over the
to clean it
fitting,
all up.
just to clean it up.
And I've got 3 out of the 5 in, but because of the way it was put in, or whoever put it in, or whatever.
Because this is not an OEM one, by the way.
No, it's not.
Because this is the same markings as ours, the PV2.
Yep.
These are aftermarket. They're available everywhere.
Yeah.
Well, Napa sells them for way too much money. We know that.
Yeah,
Napa wanted $147 for one. And I was like...
For a portioning valve?
For this one. This is a pretty standard issue GM style disc drum. Yeah.
But now that it's actually out, you can see whoever put it in bent the shaft.
Oh, the idiot light.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the new one has the proper holder and plastic piece around it. So yeah, it's going to be a few minutes because this is an absolute nightmare.
Yeah. Well, you know, there's been a lot of work on this car, and we have to bring this up. It's like whoever worked on it, obviously the vacuum line disaster.
Right.
Didn't know how to time anything. Didn't know how to do any of that.
So now it's
Old belt.
Yep. The proportioning valve wasn't put in right. I'm thinking, from what I'm able to tell.
I mean, this will work correctly.
Yeah.
Because this is a proper
Because
style.
it was leaking.
Remember we took one of those apart at Wick's?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
You and I and Wick. We took one apart one day. Mainly because we were bored.
Yeah.
Because the GTO wasn't behaving. And Wick and I have probably put about 4 of those. Oh, that'll make it not work right either. All right. Doesn't matter. It's bent, so it won't work anyway. Okay.
I mean, I literally just went
Yeah,
and turned. I'm like,
Scotty.
Then he gave me a look.
Scotty.
I was scared.
Guys, this is the type of stuff we encounter daily because other people can't do their jobs.
well, they can do their jobs, but unfortunately, they're not to the
They're in a hurry.
standards that should be done.
They're in a hurry. Gotta get done, instead of making sure things are right.
That's why.
And that's why cars end up here.
think
We
that's
also
why-
get all the orphans.
Yeah, but that's why no matter what, it's like, hey, Bernsey, can you double check what I just did? Bobby, can you just double check?
We
I
all
have
tri-
no
we all
complaints on
double,
doing
triple
that.
check each other.
Exactly, because there's times where I might see something that you don't, and vice versa.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Oh, no, that's how you learn. That's how you become
don't know.
better.
People don't know how
I
to
didn't
learn.
get this old and ugly overnight.
I did.
Overnight,
I fell out of the ugly tree.
you hit
And
every
hit
damn
every branch all the way down and then
On
landed on an
November
ugly
5th,
bitch.
1983. What time? Don't ask me. I don't
Good
remember.
kitty. I got him with a good kitty again.
83.
I got him. Yeah,
83.
83.
83.
84.
84. 1923.
Damn.
Technically conceived in 68, spit out 69. Last of the good years, baby.
Your twin brother dribbled down your mom's leg, I bet.
No, I think it got scraped off the bed sheets with a spoon.
Anyway, with that, thanks.
Hello, you haven't left a mess on the bed.
Oh.
He'd have to have it big enough to make a mess on the bed.
My mom used to wash my bedding. She'll tell you right now.
What your mom do? What?
She used to wash my bedding when I was younger. She told me.
Well, we know she didn't
She
just go
told me to
and spit
stop-
you out this big.
She told me to stop leaving pecker tracks on my sheets.
But that's pee-pee.
No, that was baby gravy. Trust
Oh.
me. She kept finding bras in my room too that obviously wouldn't fit me.
Maybe now.
But I need some water after that.